Apparently we have a storm coming. There's some massive heat lightning, but I'm not able to get them.
I told her this was a bad idea.
Shut up, Casey.
Shut up, Diana.
Yeah, you can't really see them too well.
But it's here.
But they are lighting up the sky. Oh, that was a good one.
Oh, that's pretty good.
It's only like, I don't know, 90 degrees out, and it's
Actually,
10 o'clock at night. No, it's actually in the 80s.
It's 10:26 right about now. Massive light. It's massive lightning, people. That massive snap.
It's pretty cool.
Which means this storm is going to be off the chain, now.
I don't know if you can hear the thunder.
Well, you can sure see the lightning. And of course, my mom's standing out there like an idiot, videotaping this.
That's what I do. You just let me do as I do.
Oh, good. Wow. Now that was pretty cool.
It's just constant lightning, but it's hard to see in the camera.
Does that thing have sound effects on it?
It's got sound.
Oh, brother.
Oh, that was a good one.
If you listen real closely, you can hear the lightning. The thunder.
The lightning. Yeah, that's good, Casey.
That's a Casey.